Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. Mostly, some of the people will call it as Amrita University also. And mostly, like all of you, I think already know that it has a main campus in Coimbatore, then Amritapuri, then Bengaluru, and Chennai, and one more campus is under construction in Amaravati. So, without taking much time, let's get into the main topic of the video. Amrita University, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, deemed to be university. Campuses Coimbatore, Amritapuri, Bengaluru, Chennai. So Amaravati campus is not yet completed. That is why I didn't mention here. It is established in the 1994. When we talk about rankings, NRF ranking in university category it is 4th, and in engineering category it is 20. In overall category is 13. It's a good university, we can say. And if you want to travel to Coimbatore campus, so by train nearest railway station is Ettimadi railway station, which is 500 meters from the campus itself. And when it comes to using airplane. So Coimbatore International Airport, which is 27 kilometers, and coming to buses, regular buses will be available in front of the campus itself. And when it comes to modes of admission, they take admission through AEEE. So when it comes to 2021 AEEE, ranks will be given on August 5. From August 5, seat allocation process will be started. That is CSAP registration, and after that, counseling will be there. Seat allotment, everything, fee payment, everything. Now it also takes seat through like JEMS. This is a new institution actually. So like we can say if we have 96.5, 97, something like that, you can expect CSE there. So yeah, it also accepts SAT score, PUEE score, and it also has management quota. So for this you need not to separately meet any other people outside. You just like after registering for AEEE exam, you will be having one button called management quota. So if you select that and submit, you will get details to your mail ID. So based on your score, and they will allot you one seat, and you have to directly contact them through that mail, and they will also give you one contact. So you can call them, and you can finalize by paying the fees to the details they gave you. And when it comes to eligibility, 55% separately in PCM should be there, and overall 60% for those who are coming through AEEE and JEE mains and all. And when it comes to PUEE, those who are entering with this PUEE score, you should have 75% minimum in PCM separately, and with not less than 75%. So in maths, 75% is again compulsory. So now when it comes to courses offered, so here you can see Amritapuri, Bengaluru, Coimbatore, Chennai, all 4 campuses I mentioned here. So most of the like BTech programs are available in Coimbatore campus. And when then next comes to like Amritapuri, then Bengaluru and Chennai almost same. So this is about courses offered. And when it comes to cutoffs, so I think this is one of the most asked question for me. I don't have marks versus ranks because this year the pattern is changed and evaluation pattern changed. Everything is changed. So until and unless we get ranks, we can't say anything. So these are some approximations from previous year, and I request I will be releasing one Google form during the counseling, because I like you people know how much problem you are facing. In order to reduce that same fear to your juniors, I request every one of you to come forward and fill that Google form after like counseling process, so that you will get a correct idea. So that data will be used for next year. So during the counseling, I will be releasing one form. Like you please fill that form during the counseling. And so these are the other state and home state cutoffs. CSC 1600, home state like if you are from home state Tamil Nadu, 14,000 is the cutoff for CSC. In the form of specialization 2400 and 15,000. You can once pause this video and check out these cutoffs. Though these cutoffs may vary plus or minus 300, so you need to do some approximation. And when it comes to Amritapuri, so these are the cutoffs. Once you can pause and you can see, but now specializations are added, so we can say some are plus or minus 400 specialization. As specialization added, you can think that for this particular cutoffs, you can add plus or minus 400. And when it comes to Bangalore, so these are the cutoffs. For this also plus or minus 400 you can take. So now when it comes to placements, 200 plus companies visited the campus every year, and average salary is 5.7 LPA, highest CTC is 52 LPA, and 90% placement percentage, and the highest stipend in the internship is 80,000. And this is the fee structure of the college. Just once you can pause the video, and it depends on the branch to branch. For CSC and CSAA, these are the fee structure, and when it comes to ELC, EAC, ECE, so this is the fee structure. So like depends on the slab 1, slab 2, slab 3, slab 4. Here one thing is based on your rank, slabs are allotted. So during that allocation process, you will come to know. Until and unless they do something, we can't say anything. So this is about EEE and mechanical, and mechanical EEE, chemical, so civil engineering, so all this comes under, so this for this particular fees. So usual regular fees is this, so this is with scholarships, okay. 1 to 3 with the scholarship fees. And this is about caution deposit. It is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 in each and every campus. That is only one time during the first year. And we can say approximately like for 4 years your fees will be, only tuition fee will be 11 to 17 lakhs. Okay. And when it comes to fee waivers, based on the rank, seat allotment like done in slabs, I have shown you the scholarship prices. Like if you see, if you get good rank and you selected triple E in Amrutapuri, so like if you comes under that, like if at all that is possible, like you will get an allotment in slab 1, for which the fees is 1 lakh. So you will getting to 1 lakh as concession. That's what. So 1 lakh as scholarship. So this is what fee waivers based on the rank. It varies from 25 to 90% based on the ranks. And students should maintain CGPA for continuation of scholarship. This particular scholarship which you are getting will be only for 1 year. So if you want to continue that for further years, you need to maintain the CGPA. And for SC, ST, OBC, you will get some scholarship that will be informed to you later once you get into the college. You can also mail to Amruta and ask about that. And coming to fee structure, hostel, so hostel and mess, room rent plus establishment charges, Amrutapuri 24,000, Bengaluru 39, Coimbatore 44, Chennai 44. So you can check once. Caution deposit one time, non-refundable. Mess fee is also one time. And one thing about mess is you will only get vegetarian food. Non-vegetarian is not allowed inside the campus. If you want to non-veg, you have to go out and you have to eat and you can come in. Okay. So these are subject to change. So that may change year by year. So this is previous year's screenshot. And now comes to infrastructure. Spread across 400 acres and classes, labs, library are spacious and well maintained and well equipped. So very huge central library will be there. Wi-Fi enabled campus. Sports facilities are too good. Almost all sports will be encouraged in this particular campus. Olympic size swimming pool is there. Bank, ATM is there. Health center is there. Shopping center. And 3 big canteens and 4 small canteens are inside the campus. And when it comes to hostels, 6 boys hostels, 2 girls hostels. First, second, third years you will be getting like a 4-seater room. In the 4th year you will be getting single seater room. And bed, table, chair, bookshelf, cupboard are available. You can once check here. Chair, these are cupboards with the laptop table, and here cupboards. So here is your bed. Everything will be there, and attached or common washrooms will be there. Internet facility is good. Gym facility is available, and common rooms for indoor games like chess, carom. So for that, common rooms will be there. Canteen is available in the campus. So by 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock it will be closed. So in other universities it will be till 1 a.m. in the night and 2 a.m. in the night, right? But in Amruta it will be somewhere around 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. That's it, not more than that. And mess food is good. Only vegetarian is served in that mess food, and the curfew timing is 10 p.m. And when it comes to strict rules, so this is one of the most weighted thing, I guess, because many people ask me regarding this, what are the strict rules are there in Amruta. So I have gone through like many Facebook pages and many Quora websites. So what I came to know is outpost should be like you should apply one outpost before 24 hours if you want to go out of the campus. And monthly, like you will be having 2 times, at max 2 times, and 1 emergency pass will be there. So that if like it is nothing like after going 2 times, for the 3rd time, if your reason is valid, they may send you. But it is nothing like they will stop you at the but. They require a proper reason to go out. So without their permission, you can't go out. That is what one thing. And emergency pass will also be there. You have to write a letter to the warden, and you have to submit that, and you can come out of the campus. No non-veg in the campus, and curfew timing is 9 p.m. for first year. This is strict. So 9 p.m. and the rest will be 10 p.m. And ID card to be worn all times. Whenever you are inside the campus, you should wear the ID card. And uniform is compulsory while going to the college, like classes. You need to wear the uniform. Jeans are not allowed, and no black t-shirts during the fest. Due to this, they have debarred some students also, though you should not wear black t-shirt during the fest. And some more things are like you should not buy costly mobile in the first year. So that is one thing. And during your first year and second year, you are not allowed to take the laptop to the classes. So these are sometimes. And it is nothing like you are not allowed with the mobile. You are allowed, but you should buy a less costly mobile, and you should not use that in the college time. You should use in the hostel time. So that for that also some time will be there. So no issues. Those things you can manage, I guess. And so these are about the strict rules. And coming to others like cultural fest, Amrutotsavam and Amruta Kalotsavam, Kalanjali, Kalamruta. Actually, in this particular thing, I also made mistake when I explained about Sastra versus VIT versus Amruta versus SRM, all this video. I mentioned that fest will be less and clubs will be less. It is nothing like that. This college will also have clubs and fests, but exposure will be a little bit less when compared to other colleges. Exposure in the sense, not the overall campus exposure. I mean the fest exposure. So the enjoyment will be less due to some rules in that particular thing. and technical fest Vidyut, Anoka, Aikya, Pragati, Astra and Arohan. These are the technical fest. And one more thing, Robototsavam will be also there, and the clubs will also be there, and girls to boy ratio is 1:4, which is pretty good, and attendance rules is 84%. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.